Hey, I'm Steve of Brakecrafters. If you're not already familiar with us, this is who we are. We specialize in motorcycle brake components to restore hydraulic brake and clutch systems to new condition. Our caliper, brake, and clutch master cylinder kits not only contain seals and pistons sourced by the OEM manufacturers, but every kit contains new copper crush washers, stainless bleed nipples with caps, the assembly lube to complete the job. With Brakecrafters, you get more than a baggie of parts. In addition to replacement OEM pistons, we offer 316L stainless pistons as an upgrade. At Brakecrafters, we carry reservoirs, pins, seals, boots, and levers for completing your repair or upgrade. We also stock EBC and Gold Friend brake pads. Orders that are received by 3 p.m. ship first class USPS the same day. We're proud to offer quality Spiegler brake lines. Our proximity and relationship with Spiegler enables second-day shipment of brake lines. You can rely on Brakecrafters to partner with you to have what you need to keep your shop running and your customers happy. All this can be conveniently found using our brake selection tool at Brakecrafters.com or calling 855-STOP-U. That's 855-786-7968. I'm Steve. See you next time.